leaking.
How do you ring the bell?
We're going through an entire tank of water each trip.
Why? Because it's leaking?
It's gotta be, yeah.
Everybody's got an apprentice.
Yeah.
Sparta.
So this is the engine brake. That's the train brake. We got no cars with us, so we're not using it.
Oh, so you just turn off the engine or disconnect the engine from the drive? Is that what you're doing?
No. They're air brakes, so you know I've got the shoes tight against the wheels right now.
Oh, okay.
Line for the east, okay, back.
Back. So release the brakes, put that in reverse, get some throttle to get her moving, and you know, there's 8 notches, unlike your car or truck where, you know, there's 8 notches. My gate is full throttle, that's where she's
Got a long straightaway.
yeah. Thing is, like with a train, I could put you in here. You can get it moving, you know, I mean, it's the easiest thing in the fucking world to get it moving.
There's no turning.
Is to be able to get it stopped.
Oh, that's the tricky thing? Knowing the brakes.
One button then. Car now, stretch. That's a good joint, 3 point.
3 point.
What's that mean?
The brakes are on, that's in idle, and you're not touching it because he's going between the car. You know what I mean? You're doing.
3 points.
Yeah. Those wheels run across a leg. It only does it once.
Yeah, it only needs to do it once. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man.
This was originally, well, I wrote it all down there. Built for CN in London, Ontario. June of '59.
Oh, yeah.
They did a total, absolute rebuild.
We're making lots today.
Go for it.
We should call him the bill.